Let me show you how to center a title in WordPress. Start on your WordPress login screen. Enter your username or email in the first field, type your password in the second field, and click the Login button. The dashboard opens after a quick redirect. If your browser already kept you logged in, you will land straight on the dashboard. In the left sidebar, click Pages, then All Pages. The Pages list opens. Find the page you want to edit. I will use the About page. Hover over the page title and click the edit link that appears below it. If you have a lot of pages, use the search box at the top right, type About and press Enter, then click Edit. The WordPress editor loads the page. Click directly on the page title at the top. For me, that is About Us. A single click activates the title block, and the block toolbar appears above the text. Look at that toolbar for the Align button. Depending on your theme and WordPress version, the icon may show as a few horizontal lines, or the word Align may be visible. If it is hidden, click the three-dot overflow menu first, click Align. The drop-down gives you left, center, right, and sometimes full width. Click Align Center. The title snaps to the center of the content area. Before you move on, check the space around it. The title should now sit in the middle of the title block, not necessarily the whole screen. If your theme puts the title inside a wide content column, that is what it centers within. Most themes keep the title left by default, so the left option was highlighted before this change. While the title is still selected, you can change the text. Type About Our Company over About. The centered alignment stays because alignment is stored at block level, not text level. That means if you type a completely different title later, it will still be centered. Select the title again if it deselected. In the right sidebar, open the block settings panel. Look for typography. If your theme supports it, you will see font size, appearance, and line height. Open font size and you will see presets such as small, medium, large, and extra large. Pick large if you want the centered title to hold the page. I usually skip custom sizes here because the presets scale better on mobile. If typography is not listed, your theme does not expose title sizing here, so just move on. Now the blog post. From the left menu, click Post, then All Post. Find the post you want to edit. Click Edit. Click the post title. Then click the Align button in the toolbar and choose Align Center. Click Update in the top right to save the post. Then click View Post to check the live version. Posts use the same title block, but some older themes show a separate title field above the editor. If that is the case, the alignment option may not be there. Back in the editor, there is another situation. You may not want to center the actual page title, you might just want to center a heading inside the page. Click the heading block, for example, Our Services. The block toolbar appears. Click the alignment option, then choose Center. The heading moves to the center of its available content area. Do not confuse the page title with a heading block. The page title is the top field, and headings are inside the content. Centering a heading also will not change its level, just its position. The same control works for paragraph text. Click the paragraph block. Click Alignment, then choose Center. That is useful for a subtitle or a short introductory message under the title. If it is a subtitle, keep it to 1 or 2 lines. A centered paragraph longer than 3 lines is harder to read. If there is a button underneath the title, click the Buttons block. The toolbar changes. Choose Center. The button moves toward the middle. With the title, paragraph, and button centered, you get a simple stacked layout. Main title, short description, and a Get Started button. Just make sure you are clicking the Buttons block toolbar, not the toolbar on the individual button inside it. Some themes may show a Justify option instead of Align, so choose Center Justification if that is what appears. To keep all 3 locked together, select the title, paragraph, and button blocks by holding Shift and clicking each one. Then click the Group option in the toolbar or the Transform menu. Once grouped, the group block can have its own alignment settings if your theme exposes them. This keeps several elements centered as one unit instead of adjusting them individually. I use groups only when the layout gets complex. For a simple stack, separate alignment is enough. Before you save, click Preview in the top bar and choose Preview in New tab. Look at the title in the actual layout, then check Mobile. If your WordPress setup has responsive preview icons in the editor, open the mobile preview. The icon is usually near the bottom of the editor. Make sure the title does not wrap awkwardly, is not too large, and keeps enough space around it. I always check this before updating because centered long titles tend to overflow on phones. A very long title can take up several lines when centered. For example, How to Create a Professional Website for Your Small Business in 2026 will wrap onto multiple lines. That is okay, but make sure the line breaks still look natural. If the last line is a single small word, shorten the title or reduce the size until it folds cleanly. Once it looks right, click Update. Wait for the small notice at the bottom that says the page was updated, then click View Page. Check the title on the actual website. It should now appear centered. Now, if the title does not move when you use the normal alignment control, the title might be controlled by the template. That happens on block themes, especially themes like 2024. The page title is often rendered by a post title or page title block inside the site editor, so editing the page alone will not touch it. You will notice this because the alignment option either does nothing or is missing. To fix that, go to Appearance, then Editor. This loads the site editor if your theme uses blocks. If Appearance does not have editor, you are not on a block theme, and the title is likely controlled by the theme customizer or custom CSS. Click Templates. Find the template used for your page. Depending on your theme, that could be Pages, Single Page, or another page template. Open it. Look for the post title or page title block in the template preview. Click it. Use the block toolbar to choose center alignment if the option is available. Some themes do not offer it here, and in that case you have to use a small amount of custom CSS, but try this first. Click Save. This can affect other pages that use the same template, so check which template you are editing before you save. WordPress may ask you to confirm because the template change applies across multiple pages. That is normal. While you are in the editor, do not try to center the title by adding spaces or padding. It breaks on mobile. Use the alignment control instead. And do not jump to custom CSS when the built-in alignment option is available. It will be much easier to maintain. Now that the page title is centered, check the site on a real phone. The editor preview gives you a rough idea, but the live responsive preview is more accurate. If you want every page title centered without touching each page, open the page template you just saved and confirm the alignment there. That is the faster route now that you know where it lives. And if you ever want to undo it, select the same title block and click Align Left. If this got your title centered, hit the like button, subscribe for more WordPress fixes, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this video to other people searching for the same thing.